So it's 9 o'clock UTC. I think it's time to start. A warm welcome to everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So as Peter wrote in the chat, I think we are at the moment from 15 different time zones. So we need to say hello in different ways. So today we are starting the next edition of the Standards in Action seminar before the beginning of the 52nd ISO TC211 plenary week, which, as it was mentioned already today, will be again in the virtual shape. This time, the title of the seminar is actually Doing Standardization Together, where we would like to show and highlight the importance of the joint approach towards the standardization across different domains, particularly in those domains where also location plays a significant or essential role. So in today's seminar, with all the interesting presentations, 8 of them we will have, you will see. We want to showcase good practices of such cooperation by internal liaisons, external liaisons, and also to present those that could be for potential future collaboration. So as said, so there will be different experts in this seminar as well. There will be a panel in which we will discuss importance of the standardization of the standardized location data for the health domain. Before we are starting, maybe just to repeat once again a bit of the, let's say, rules. So as it was announced already at the beginning, this session is being recorded, and all the recorded presentations will be available later on the ISO TC211 YouTube channel. So all the participants are kindly asked to remain with their microphone switched off and camera switched off while they are not speaking. If you have any questions, please use the ability of Zoom to raise hand or to put your comments or questions in the chat window. So maybe coming back to the program of today. So it will be, as mentioned, somehow in 2 parts. In first part, it will be dedicated mostly towards the cooperation of the ISO TC211, as mentioned before, to external and internal liaisons. So exceptionally, one presentation will be as well in the second part because of the logistic reasons. At about 10:30, 10:25, there will be panel where 2 chairs, Agneta Enberg of ISO TC211 and Michael Glickman from ISO TC215 will join. Also Chris Body from Australia and Jennifer George from Australia as well. And Serena Kotze as well. That will be discussion about location information and standardization for health sector. Then we'll continue in the second part, and it's planned that we'll with another 4 presentations, and we plan to finish at around 12:15, 12:20 UTC time. So that would be for the introduction, for the opening. So with that, I think it's time that we start. So I would ask the first presenter, Chris Body from Australia, to share his presentation with us.